Hi, this is Myra with Project Unity Consciousness, and today we are going to go through a activation of our 13 transmission center. So go ahead and get comfortable, have a seat or into any other comfortable position that feels right for you. All right, the first thing we're going to do is just go ahead and take nice 3 deep breaths, breathing in and then pausing on our inhale and then slowly exhaling. All right, so let's go ahead and just close our eyes and breathe in and hold and slowly exhale. Good, let's do 2 more. Breathe in hold and exhale. Last one. I like to start from my feet and work my way up. So please activate my Earth Star. This is with the help of Pisces. Great, and when he comes on, he feels like little fishies just swimming around at the bottom of your feet, so you might feel a little bit of tickling down there. Great, there he is. Perfect. And next we move on up to our base. This is with the help of Aquarius. And here you might feel a little bit of a sensation down in your base area or perineum area. Next we move up into our sacral area. This is white and this is with the help of Capricorn. Beautiful. Let's move up into our navel with the help of Sagittarius. This is orange. Moving up into our solar gateway with the help of Scorpius. And this is yellow. Beautiful. Great job, everyone. Good. Next, we're going to move into our heart center. This powers everything. This is powered with the assistance of Libra and Alpha Centauri. Here, I'd like you all to focus on shining that light that's radiating out from your heart and keep pushing it and shining it until you can feel it beginning to expand and take over your entire field. Good, blast it out as far as you can and as wide as you can. We want to send this out into the entire collective. Beautiful, great. Next, we're going to move up into our throat with the help of Virgo and Orion. Sometimes that feels a little bit garbly inside there. Great. Thank you. Next, we're going to move up into our third eye with the help of Leo, Orion, and Sirius. And here I like to picture my Merkaba spinning around. Your top tetrahedron spins clockwise. Your bottom tetrahedron spins twice as fast in an anti-clockwise position. For those who have an advanced Merkaba, go ahead and spin that. Beautiful. Next, I like to take the attention from that area and go ahead and bring it back into the middle back of our head and drop it down into our pineal gland. Just to send a little activation that way. And then take it 1 inch further and down and go ahead and drop into your Brahman's cave area. Awesome, there we go, perfect. Now we're gonna go ahead and connect into our crown transmission center. This is with the help of Cancer. It often feels like a beam of light coming out the top of my head. Beautiful. Next, we're going to activate our 4 causal gateways. You have one in front of you, one behind you, and one to each side. Sometimes you might see them spinning around. This is with the help of Gemini. Perfect. Next, we're going to go up to our soul star. This is with the help of Taurus, Alberdan, and Pleiades. Sometimes there's a unicorn that's chocolate brown. Her name is Coco, and she comes over and she puts her platinum white horn into our soul star, and she bends down and sends its extra energy and love, resulting in a 1,000-fold increase in our soul star capacity. Beautiful, thank you. Good. Next, we're going to move into our stellar gateway. Our stellar gateway is our I am that I am gateway. This is with the help of Aries. Good. And here we have another unicorn who loves to come and help. Her name is Chloe. She's white with a golden horn and a pink and purple mane. She's just beautiful. She walks over to us and she bows her horn down to our stellar gateway, increasing it 100-fold. Thank you. As she turns now and she walks away. Next, we go up into our Christ self with the help of Ophiuchus. Thank you. Beautiful. Now what I like to do is I like to bring in Orion for the day, and I love him to come in and help to heal, cleanse, and repair our auric field. And we can just feel him bringing his energy down towards us. Thank you. I call in Starlight, and here you'll feel all of the stars bringing in all of their energy, transmitting it down into our system. Now I like to go ahead and root down and send all of my roots down into Mother Earth, going in and surrounding, if you can, the entire planet with your roots. And while we're connected down into Mother Earth, we're going to reach down into her crystalline reservoir, and we're going to pull that energy up and hook that energy right into our heart center. Excellent. And then I like to reach above, and we're going to go ahead and connect into the Arimatina gateway. This is the 12th star gate. And we're going to bring that energy down, also hooking it right into our heart center. So now we're connected below and above. Connecting into these two centers allows us to move forward with our day and in our practice with perfect geometry and perfect math, so that the codes that we're creating are not of the corrupted system. This is very important as we move forward. Perfect. Now go ahead and let's just take a nice deep breath in and out. Good. And in and out. Good. And let's go ahead and just sit here for a minute or so and just go into stillness. Just calm our mind. And if there's any fleeting thoughts, we just say hi and say thank you and let them pass by. Thank you, all you beautiful souls. Thank you for allowing me to be here with you, sharing this journey. just amazing. Thank you. May the light and love in me be with the light and love of all of you. Namaste.